Assalamualaikum and hello YouTube, my name is Nur Muhammad from Anywash and we are back with another strap fashion show video. So this time around we're going to be looking at 5 different straps that might give a a brand new look for your aging watches. So in this case, this watch, this DIY Watch Club Expedition watch, I've had it for more than 2 years, so yeah, it's kind of looking a bit boring anyways, to me at least, but still by giving it some new straps or new strap combination, I think I could give you guys some idea on how to make it look fresh, right? So first up is this Ritche watch, Ritche Club or Ritche watch bands or something like that, but this is a fully grain leather strap from them. So these, I think these are sent to me a few months back, or was it last year? I just can't remember, guys. So but this one is using a tapered, non-tapering strap here, so 20 millimeters down to 20 millimeters. And of course, oh, I completely forgot to mention the dimension for this particular piece. So this one is 38 millimeters in diameter, watch, and thickness is just about 13 mil, lug to lug is 48, and also 20 millimeters lug width, so making it one of the, making it very it could potentially be a strap monster, right? So again, to the strap, red stitching from the top to the bottom, and we have quite a lot of holes here, and the again similar non-tapering design here with one movable keeper and one fixed keepers. So shame that they don't sign any of the clasp here. We have this fully polished clasp, buckle, tang buckle here, which it doesn't look inspiring, but we do have some stamp Ritche watch band, right? So that's the company name, and we do have quick release pins here. So 20 millimeters genuine leather, so I've been using this on and off, but not every day, but yeah, still it is still going strong after a few months of use. So I'm on the 6th hole, so we do still have about 4 holes left. So my wrist size is 6.75 inch wrist, or 17 centimeters in circumference. So this is how it looks like on my wrist. So what do you guys think about that? And yeah, that's strap number 1. Let's go to strap number 2, which is from my buddy at Vario Singapore. So this is an Italian distressed vintage Italian leather. I think that's what they call it. They do come in a few different color variation, and my favorite is basically this blue one, because it looks like a denim, a stone wash denim type of thing. So yeah, I think it would suit this particular skeleton dial just nice, in my opinion. I might be wrong there, but yeah, still awesome looking thing in my opinion, right? Okay, so that you might have noticed that this end of the strap just rub this particular case here, so it's not that bad. But I think this combination, right, the blue, sorry, the smoky gray versus the black, the blue, it looks just fine. For some it might look weird, but yeah, still for me it is okay. So tapering from 20 to 16 mil, this is kind of quite a short strap, so if you do want to go for any of these, so please do contact Vario to get, if they do have something longer. So polish buckle here from Vario, quite a simple one, but it works. And for me, this particular finishing really makes the watch, any watch for that matter, pops, right? So again, I'm on the 5th hole, still have like 3 holes left, so you need to really ask Vario on if they have something longer, if you guys have bigger wrist than mine. But yeah, what do you guys think of that blue and gray? So what do you guys think? So let's go to strap number 3, which is again from Vario Singapore. So let's just put it here, and oh, I forgot to mention that we do have a quick release systems here as well. So let's go for this particular gray epsom leather strap from Vario again. So similar pattern here, 20 millimeters tapering down to 16, and I think the gray looks nice. I think if we are to combine it with this dark gray skeletonized style, not skeletonized, okay, it is a sapphire see-through dial, right? Like so. And yeah, I think it looks cool in my opinion. So gray with this off-white stitching, and we have this polished vario buckle as well. So fixed keeper, one fixed keeper here, one movable keeper here, and yeah, we have this quick release system, right? Okay, so let's just put it on the wrist and see how it looks like. Yeah, if you guys want to get one or few of this, so please, I will give you link in the video description below, and I will give some coupon codes as well. So but do check with the sellers from time to time if they have something, if they have more different, if more, you know, much more cheaper discount codes available. So for me I can only give you about 8% discount, but if there's some from time to time, they do have some, you know, promotional discount codes available as well. So this is from Vario Singapore, right? Next up is another company, another strap company based in Singapore. These guys are called Love Watch Strap. So this is the taupe colorway. So the company name is Love Watch Strap, but I don't know why they have this high noon insignia here, but then maybe they've this strap was sent to me quite a long time ago, so maybe they've since changed the sign buckle, so I'm not sure, but yeah, you can check it out inside their website. So this is a taupe color variation. It is a bit different compared to the gray, so you can see here it is a bit different. So there's a little bit of brown here, brown hue here, so I think it just matches this dark gray kind of dial here, and yeah, I think it looks cool. The finishing is, it looks like a what do you call this, epsom finishing here, so yeah, I think it looks nice. So, and again, the stitching is in white, not off white such as this particular strap. So yeah, it is of course very soft and supple, tapering from 20 to 18 mil, 20 to 16 mil, and we have quick release pins as well, so that's good. Alright, so let's just put it on the wrist and see how it looks like. I'm on the 4th hole. You still have another 4 holes available, and yeah, maybe 7 or 7.25 inch wrist can still use this particular strap. Not really sure whether 7.5 can fit it or not, but yeah, still I think it looks cool. What do you think about that? And let's just go to strap number 5, which is again another strap from lovewatchstrap.com. So this time around they call this a, what do you call this, an Alcantara leather strap. So you can see that the finishing on this particular surface of the leather is something similar to the finishing that you would find on sports car steering wheel or sports car driver seats, right? So I think that is one of the reasons why I'm attracted to this particular strap. It just works in my opinion. So it just elevates the watch to look a bit more cool, a little bit more sporty, right? So I don't think you can find this on any other sellers on AliExpress, or even from another online leather strap retailers. So maybe I might be wrong here. Maybe the only person or the only seller who is doing this particular style of strap is just lovewatchstrap.com. I might be wrong there. So anyways, tapering, this strap is tapering from 20 to 16 mil. We have one fixed keeper here, movable keeper here, and of course a love sign buckle here. It is fully brushed, so that's cool. And we have again love watch strap stamp at the back, and we have this quick release pin. So you guys seen inside throughout this whole video that it is very fast to swap out straps when we have this quick release pins. So that is how it looks like on my 6.75 or wrist 17 centimeters wrist circumference. This really looks cool in my opinion. And yeah, let's go zooming back in. Yeah, it just works in my opinion, right? So anyways guys, so this is my 5 different strap option for this particular DIY watch club expedition watch that I've had for about 2 years. So if you guys are inspired by this particular strap fashion show, so do let me know which strap is your favorite. So if you guys like this video, please give me a big thumbs up, and if you want to see more future video reviews such as this one, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, I'll see you soon. Stay safe and bye bye.